Okay, we are going to calculate the area of a circle. The formula to create the area of a circle is pi times radius square. Okay, so the radius I'm going to enter into a spin edit, and then we're going to have a button to calculate the value, and let's display the output in a label. Let's change the caption of the button, change that to calculate. That should be fine. And let's just make the caption here, nothing else. Okay, so when I click on the button, I want to calculate the area of the circle. I want to use the formula, so I'm going to need two variables. I'm going to declare them globally. Let's make it R area. That's one. This one is going to be real, and the other one, let's use I radius. And I radius is going to be integer. Guys, I'm going to capture the value, and then I'm going to put it inside my variable. I'm going to say I radius equals to spin edit one dot value. Okay, so I have the radius. Now I can use my formula, and I want to put the answer inside our area. Okay, so I say I'm going to use pi, function pi. I'm going to return the value of pi times radius square root. So it's going to be sqr, and then my variable I radius. Just running test for any syntax errors. Okay, so it's going to take the value from the spin edit and put it in I radius. Then when I click on the button, it's going to say pi radius square, put it in the real variable, real data type variable, R area, and now I can display that in my label at the bottom. Okay, so the next one is going to be the output. It's label one dot caption, and that is equals to R area. Okay, remember the area is a real data type, caption is a string, so we need to convert this to a string. So it's float to str. Okay, float to str to convert the current area to a string. Say 5. Let's calculate 78.538898. Okay, so we just fix that for us. So I'm going to say float to string if, and I'm going to use fa fixed. It's not a currency. So we just want to fix the decimal values on this one. Fixed. Let's make it 6,1, because I only want to display one decimal value of my area. Okay, so I'm gonna use the float to string f function, take the f area, make it a fixed format, 6 left of the comma and 1 right of the comma, or 1 decimal value. Change it now, something like 10, and then it's the area is going to be 314.2. Okay, so what did I do? I captured the input, put it in a variable, used my formula, put that in my real variable, and then I displayed my real variable, and because it was too long, the decimal values, I used floater string f, and I fixed it by only using one decimal place at the back. Even if I put the 5 in, it will display 78.5.